they're pretty sturdy. But it's not completely correct. I hate that.
Everything else.
Thank you so much for helping.
It's okay. I am too.
Like, I know he's in there.
Many people are.
Hi. I understand.
Do a tippy tap. We're doing a bumper sticker.
Oh, you're like me. This is your remarkable. So disconnect.
If I did that, if you want to give me, I would pay you back.
Please help yourself to come
For a
pay
moment,
the
I will
origami paper or beads. You have to exclude. I should probably just like hold off for like.
Is it okay if I use a picture?
I've learned 3 times.
I like to make it work about cars.
And this is my first time being more officially dressed someone in Okay, I'm going to need you to hold this.
That's a wrap.
Golden rat.
All of this was part of it.
Yes, this is. It can be very. It's a lot, but it's fun. Yeah. You did so wonderful. I'm mostly actually in the December area, but I know for
I was thinking about that. I read about it. Is this a spring one or is this?
it's all season.
Very fast. All season.
It is. I love.
All season tomatoes.
Yes, that's one of my favorites.
Usually I like sew over a lot of my sticker patches.
I'm going to give you the willow because I can
And they're always here. They're free. They're free.
actually take
That's the point of this event. We have freebies.
okay, I'm going to try to verify it.
Potato, which is kind of like a Japanese.
Totally unexpected.
And the origami paper and the beads are free.
But it was nice. I'm like, oh, I know. My finger carried her obi with it.
They're little, but they're glass and they're pretty. It's not cherry glass.
I know this isn't completely proper, but because kind of having to read it a bit. You have to do that too, so it's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. I got you very much. And I'll give you more.
Oh, I know they're ready to bake the sale up there, but also I have coffee and a milk.
It's probably that. It smells warm.
I don't know. Micah is Chinese geisha and they have the really long obi in the back with the full side. It's okay with you, Dad?
Yeah.